Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
Up time hai Pari Sharika, and joining me now is who else but our page 3 expert Simi Chandok. Welcome to the show, Simi.
Hi, Roshi.
Well, we just saw the story, but now we want to know your take on star fights and especially how big they make it in the media.
I think, Urvashi, it's probably more drunken brawls than fights. Agar aapne dekha hai, whether it's Raja Chaudhary, you know, whenever he's been booked for fights and public violence and everything, वो हमेशा he's been under the influence. वो हमेशा नशे में रहे हैं. And even if you look at the most talked about Bollywood fight, which is like the Salman slash Shah Rukh fight, which happened at Katrina's birthday, I think कितने birthdays चले जाएंगे Katrina के, and we will still be talking about this fight. But the fact is that even that fight happened at a bar. So had there not been alcohol, probably the fight won't have been so bad. The emotions are really ripe and like oozing out, and you know, whatever. They're more gullible to their emotions, whether it's negative ones or emotional ones or whatever it is. The same thing when you mentioned the Sanjay Dutt fight that apparently happened in Sri Lanka at the awards thing. It happened in his room, where all these people, you know, a group of boys were all in high spirits until they started feeling low about certain comments that people were making about their movies and everything. And, you know, I'm sure whether it's Sanjay, whether it's Shah Rukh, whether it's Salman, any of them, whether it's Raja Chaudhary, sorry about the comparison, but if they're not drinking, I think these fights are really avoidable.
So what's your advice to them?
They should either stay sober if they want to fight, or if they're drinking, then do not fight.
But Simi, Salman or Sanjay Dutt, they seem to be enjoying all of this because they always get into a fight. It's not like one
instance. You know
instance.
what? I blame the media for it, because whenever there is a small incident, you know, itni hawa dete hain hum log, the media just hypes it up, and instead of it becoming an embarrassment, it actually becomes a trophy. It's like, you know, that's probably the way they get written about. They make it to the front pages, and of course, legally, to un pe koi kahin action hota hi nahi hai. They get away eventually, so they become heroes in the bargain, infamous ones.